Hey y'all, it is Easter. Happy Easter. Right now I am planting some things that I got from Lowe's yesterday, so let's jump in. So when I was at Lowe's yesterday, I got these, and these are strawberry plants. They are Buried Treasure red strawberries. They're grown by proven winners. I've never had these strawberries, and I figured I would get some just because I'm not sure if the strawberries that I have from last year in my kiddie pool are going to come back or not. So I definitely wanted to make sure I at least had something, and if they don't come back, then I guess I'm going to buy all new strawberries because I just don't mentally have the time to start strawberries from seeds. So for the potting mix that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be putting it in this. I picked this up at Lowe's. I really liked it because it looks a little rustic. But I will be using the STA-Green Potting Mix Plus Fertilizer. I've never used it before. Last year I used the Miracle Grow Performance Organic Container Mix, and I noticed after a year it becomes very hydrophobic. So, but with this potting mix that I'm going to be using, it's very mulchy. There's a lot of wood in it, so, and I know mulch is good for strawberries. But let me get these planted and I will show you guys everything else that I got yesterday. Okay, so these are the strawberries planted that I got. Like I said, I had gotten these from Lowe's. I just got 3 of them. So these are very close together. I've always planted my strawberries very, very close together. I've never had an issue with that. But I was like super stoked, and we already have some flowers going on this, so we'll definitely see how well these do. But this was the potting mix that I had used, and if you guys are asking what's under this tarp, is my compost pot that I have, because I don't have a bin or anything, so, but I keep it covered to keep the rain out and such. I didn't do that last year and it got flooded completely, and trying to drain it I lost more than half my compost. I mean, it was flooded very badly. And then we have some pots, and there's a pot right behind this bag, and that's what I have the carrots planted in. The kiddie pool is where I have the strawberries planted. Once they get bigger, I'm definitely going to add some more soil this year. And then we have some hay composting in this little pot. And then I'm going to use these buckets. And those buckets are what I'm going to be putting my tomatoes in this year, at least most of them. So the other thing that I had got from Lowe's yesterday was curled parsley, flat leaf Italian parsley, and 2 purple basil plants. My mom has raved about purple basil forever, so I figured this year I'll give it a try, and I got 2 plants of it. And I just have it in this planter. I've been keeping it inside at night, and I'm going to keep doing that until the weather gets warm enough, and then it'll permanently be outside. Okay, so I'm in my garage, and don't mind the mess. We kind of shove everything in here and call it a day. But what I wanted to show you guys, so in the Duckling's water, I use Quick Chick, and this comes, well, if you select it, please stay. That comes with your order if you select it when you're done ordering on Murray McMurray Hatchery. And basically it just has a bunch of vitamins and minerals and electrolytes and such that will help them grow and all of that. So I never used it because when we got our first ducks, they came from Tractor Supply. So this is the first year that I actually ordered from Murray McMurray. And I figured I would give that a try just because I know, like I've said in previous videos, the chances of death with, a few days old birds is very common. So I wanted to make sure it could definitely get some electrolytes and vitamins and everything, and it would be good. So I also wanted to show you guys the duckling. It has gotten so big in the past week. Still waiting on the other ducklings, but as of right now, they are still coming. So, hoping and praying that doesn't change anymore. But, yeah, it's kind of lonely right now, so I can't wait till we get the other ducks. That way, it can have some friends to interact with. So I was going to show you guys the other ducks that I have, but my little puppy came to visit me real quick. She's so cute. I love her. Alrighty, let's get in here. Okay, so these are my other two ducks. I know the water's gross. I need to get that changed today. But yeah, so the big white one is my male, and then the brown one is the female. And yeah, so they usually spend most of their day talking, and I've noticed at night they're also very, very loud. I'm surprised the neighbors haven't complained, but hey, it's all good so far. Yeah, these ducks are about a year old now, so, and they got to full size very quickly, and ducks do grow very fast, so. Alrighty guys, well that is it for today's video. The only last thing that I wanted to share with you guys, so each month I think what I'm going to start doing is keeping track of how many eggs we get, and last month we got 37 eggs from the ducks, so I think that is great, and I'm very excited because once we have the other females we're going to get a ton more eggs, so I am excited to share with my friends and family and also have them for ourselves as well. But that is it for today's video. Happy Easter to all of you guys, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.